Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your crypto from Coinbase to your Tangem wallet safely and step by step. First, make sure your Tangem wallet is set up using the official Tangem app and that you know which blockchain network your crypto uses. Using the wrong network can result in lost funds, so always double check before sending. Open the Tangem app, unlock your wallet, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive and tap Receive. Copy your wallet address or scan the QR code. Next, open Coinbase, select the crypto you want to send and tap Send. Paste your Tangem wallet address, verify that the network matches, enter the amount, review the transaction fee, and confirm the transfer. Wait for the blockchain to process the transaction. Once it's confirmed, refresh your Tangem wallet and your crypto should appear. If there's a delay, you can track the transaction using a blockchain explorer. That's it. Your crypto has been safely moved from Coinbase to Tangem wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.